Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is super special as I'm going to create a beautiful look with the help of the products that I really love. So these are my very old products and recent favorites as well. So I have combined all of those products and I have brought this look for you. So if you're interested, then please continue watching. So before starting makeup, I have prepped my skin very well. I have applied toner and moisturizer. So as you can see, my skin is glowing from within. So now let's start with actual makeup. So as you guys know, my favorite primer and my only primer. So this is a Blue Heaven primer. So this is how it looks. And before that as well, I use the Swiss Beauty Pearl Illuminator. Like this gives a very good sheen to the makeup look. Like it gives a natural glow to the face. It's in the shade 01 Golden Pink. So I use it very little on my face to give the sheen. So as you can see, the natural shine. After the illuminator, I'll use the primer. So guys, let me know in the comments which are your favorite makeup products, your recent favorite, your all-time favorite. I'd love to know them. And if you want me to try out any product, then that also you let me know in the comments. So that's how the primer looks like. Now let's move on to our eyes first. We'll do the eye makeup. So for that, I'm using my Swiss Beauty concealer. It is my all-time favorite, as you guys know. So this is the technique to apply the concealer that I've recently learned, and it gives a lift to the eyes, as you can see. So I'm taking my Damn Beauty sponge and I'm just blending it like this. That's how a concealer looks like. So as you can see, it's such full coverage and good quality concealer, and best part is the price. It just retails for under $1.99. So after that, let's move on to our eyes. So for eyes, you know, I love those palettes by Swiss Beauty. These ones, they are super affordable and super pigmented. I'm going to use this colorful shade right here, like the brown shade from here, and I'll just apply it in the crease. It's so creamy, so soft. So this is how it looks just in one application. So on the main eyelids, I'll be using this black shade. It's a very pretty shimmery black shade. This is how my eyes look like. So I'll just swatch the color for you. So this is how it looks like. It's very nice and pigmented. It has some sheen to it, as you can see. It's very pigmented. So after you have applied the shade, you have to blend it well, and after blending, this is how it looks like. So let's move on to our eyeliner. So for that, I'm using my current favorite Blue Heaven Sketch eyeliner. So this is how it looks like. So that's how the eyeliner looks, and already the look is looking very nice. So now let's move on to mascara. So for mascara, I have my favorite Blue Heaven Walk Free mascara. So that's how the lashes look like. So I'm loving the looks so far. So let's move on to our face now. For face, I have a lot of palettes right here. So I'll be using the Sugar Contour de Force palette. So it looks very pretty from the inside. It's perfect shimmery summer shade. So I'll be doing contouring with this. So I'll just first apply the lipstick on my cheeks, and blend it really well. So our blush is done. Now we are left with highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm going to use this shimmery shade from the palette. It's very pigmented, as you can see. That's how our base looks like. It's very fresh and glowy. So now we are left with lipstick. So I'll be using the Nude Nuance by Maybelline. So this is a very pretty nude shade. So I feel this suits the look very well. So that's how the look has turned out. So for setting everything into place, I'll use the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. So as you can see, the makeup has become even more glossy, dewy. So this will help in like melting all the powder and cream products together. So that's my completed look. I hope you enjoyed watching. All the products are my absolute favorite. You must give them a try. I'll try to give the buying links in the description box below. And yeah, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in my next video.